You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes out, zero.
Welcome to my live stream. So sorry I was late a little bit today. So let's talk about Matic is a sell, my friend. Okay, so let's continue. Let's start with Bitcoin. Sorry, I am a little bit sick today, so this live stream is gonna be a little bit short. I wanna be just I will try to be just very direct with the technical analysis because I cannot speak very well right now. Okay, so let me start. Bitcoin, the prediction is still the same. Still the same as yesterday and the day before yesterday is to the downside. Okay, so it's holding between mid 55 and the mid 21 right now here, as you can see here. But based on the probabilities, I am expecting a break of $22,700 around there. Any close below there, you will see full leg down to $21,500 around there. And this is the thing: if Bitcoin close below $20,000, $20,700 or 21, you will see all this formation. You will see continuation to the downside. So get ready for 14K or 10K. Kevin, no, it's because here the weather is crazy. It's crazy. Yesterday was a 40 degrees plus humidity. Oh, it was so complicated. Oh, never mind. Okay, so let's continue. The most important chart right now here is 2-day chart. 2-day chart is about to fire a sell signal, and this is very destructive. Historically speaking, every time when you have this kind of signals in 2 or 3-day chart, get ready because the major move is coming. And any close today, actually, I will say $22,600, 700. You will see this as the confirmation this of this signal, and also let me see. Yeah, high embedded divergence. Actually, we will see playing. So get ready because if Bitcoin breaks, let me be clear. Any close in 4-hour chart below this level, $22,700, you will see full leg down here around 21K, and that is the question. If Bitcoin breaks this level, well, welcome 14K. Okay, so through the chart, as you can see here, time is over. Technically speaking, is this in the zero line here, getting rejected by the M21. So same as yesterday. I am still expecting Bitcoin will hit around 21K, 22K. And same thing, all the timers are the same. Any close below here, you will see continuation to the downside. Okay, let me show you here the 5-day chart. As you can see here, we still have Bitcoin is still holding this area around $22,600. So, well, I want to see Bitcoin holding this area between 23K and 22,700 all this week. Because if we don't, if Bitcoin close below here, well, I don't want to say it because, well, my expectation right now here is just a pullback, and I want to see Bitcoin to the upside. I mean, something like this, right? Something like this. But the 2-day chart sell signal now is in progress. Well, it's about to get confirmed. Any close below this, the moving average MA21. That is a big hint for me. Like Bitcoin, there is a good chance Bitcoin this time will break 21K. So, oh my God, it's difficult. It's difficult here because one thing is what I believe, what I hope, right? I want to see Bitcoin holding this area and to the moon, right? But facts, well, are facts. So that means any close below this, there is a very good probability Bitcoin will break 21K. Now, let's talk about the 12-hour chart because 12-hour chart is doing something very interesting here. We had regular bearish divergence at this point. Yes, as you can see here, we got the confirmation yesterday with the close. So it's just about time. Bitcoin is the best scenario for Bitcoin right now is holding this range all this week without breaking anything. I mean, Bitcoin cannot break this area. I mean, much better if Bitcoin is holding 22K on this area. But I mean, as long as it's holding closing candles above 21K, we can set still there is some hope for bulls. But let me say it again. The 2-day chart sell signal is something I don't like it. I need to be very honest with you. And also we have here in 1-day chart, the hidden bears are variance. As you can see, we have this, actually we have regular bears are variance, and also we have a 5-day chart, hidden bears are variance from this point and this point. So one moment, let me fix this. As you can see here, we have from this point and this point and this point and this point. So any close below $22,500, and also we have the chart. Let me see. Tomorrow, if we see Bitcoin breaking down this, you will see this playing, and this is going to be very destructive. Okay. So, Bebo, I think Bitcoin will break down. I mean, any close below $22,700, maybe today, you will see the various variance in 12-hour chart and 1-day chart and all the time frames playing, and you will see at least other 20K, and this, the bottom is in, right? The bottom is in, is gonna be in danger again. So that's why I said you are thinking 19K is the bottom, because the PI cycle said, yeah, the bottom is in, or the moving average, blah 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 blah, these kind of things. Be careful, because not because you saw it 2-3 times before, that means it's gonna work. And the reason is very simple, is because Bitcoin is too young. It's just 12 years old. I mean, if we have 20 years, maybe okay, but look at this. We have just 10 years of, and this is just uptrend. In the last, I mean, since 2015, just by the dip, it was working very good for Bitcoin. It was working very good. Technically speaking, many YouTubers, other traders, they are right. The bottom potentially is in here with the PI cycle, whatever you want to use for the bottom, right? But the facts are the facts. So what happened right now here, for first time in the history, Bitcoin closed below the MA55 here. So that's why for me it's just a big, I mean, huge warning, because this is the first time Bitcoin is doing this, showing signs of weakness. So also the RSI, let me show you the RSI. Here is below, technically speaking, is actually below the previous low. I mean, it's the lowest point in the history of Bitcoin, as you can see here. And this is not a sign of strength, this is a sign of weakness. Okay, so technically speaking, as I said before, other guys or the other traders, they are right, because this is the best moment to buy Bitcoin. Historically speaking, yes, but at least with my system of trading, I will just be defensive. Why? Because let me show you again. I show you the ADX here. ADX, for example, DI. Yeah. For first time in the history, we have a sell signal. Let me show you the index, because this is Bitstamp. With more information, we will get a better technical analysis. Yes. I don't know why people, they like to use Binance, right? Binance doesn't have history, just 5 years of history, and while you're trading there, I mean, using that chart, you will get many fake signals there, but never mind. Let me show you here. In 2015, Bitcoin was very close to get this sell signal in 2015. Right now in 2022, we have this sell signal, and let me tell you something. With the close in August, I was expecting something like this, right? Something like this. The gap, I mean, the slope getting positive for bulls, getting negative for short. I mean, for shorts, yes, for the bear, sorry. But as you can see here, we still we have this gap. And the reason is simple, is because Bitcoin closed below the MA55. And also the conditions here, the ADX is still positive. It's about 23 level. So the biggest difference between this price action and this price action is the ADX was below the 23 level, about to cross here, and was very weak. So that means in this time, I mean, in 2015, the sell pressure was not impressive. But right now, well, it is. That's why I said to you, I said many times here, open your mind, and just don't stick in one side in the markets. I am not saying you have to sell, of course not. For me right now, in the macro scale, of course, as investor, any price below the MA55 to like this for me is not a short, it's just a buy as investor. For example, right, if I see Bitcoin 17k, okay, I will buy more. If I see a 14k, I will buy more. If I see a 10k, more. Why? Because this is the area of demand in macro scale. This is the area of demand, no supply. Sell here, buy here, simple. Okay. So as investor, as a trader, of course, I will be very happy just shorting the market, right? But as investor, I think is different. Now, let me show you here in 4-hour chart in the short time frame what we can expect. Okay, first of all, here I open a short position here. Now, well, not the best position here because I am testing the Ripple indicator, my new indicator, and I gotta stop it here with this week. Okay, never mind, no problem. But as you can see here, Bitcoin is holding this area. Bitcoin is holding this area, holding. And the time, remember, timing is very important. Even today, Bitcoin has enough time in 4-hour chart to at least to see other move to the upside. Yes, but just today. If you don't see Bitcoin breaking the moving average MA55 today, well, you will see continuation, and the next target in 4-hour chart should be around, yep, $21,000. And that, my friend, that is something we don't want to see. We want to see this level is much better if we don't see this level tested. Because if we see this level tested, well, you will see today chart the sell signal confirmation. You will see the 5-day chart with hidden bearish divergence with the confirmation, of course, and you will see 1-day chart with a regular bearish divergence playing. So that's why the best thing now we can do, Bitcoin can do, is just hold this area. Maybe some weeks, yes, some weeks, but no more than that. Yeah, no more than that. I don't want to see Bitcoin testing this area, at least not now. Some weeks is fine, but I don't want to see this area. It's much better. And why? It's simple, because Bitcoin is doing something like this, right? This is the low, next low. This low is higher than the previous low, right? And here I want to see other low higher than the previous low. Okay, so if we see this Bitcoin breaking here and breaking the previous low here, we will see a bounce, but this bounce is gonna be a sell, and this sell, my friend, it will take us to maybe 14k and so on. Okay. Also, one thing here, OBV, even if 4-hour chart you see a bounce, it's gonna be a sell. Why? Because, well, as you can see here, OBV is losing the exponential MA55. So also we have here the choppiness index saying, a careful, something interesting is gonna happen. Okay, so I am expecting maybe other 2,000 move. In this case, at least if today we don't see this move, I mean 2,000 or 2,000 move, this move is gonna be to the downside. Now, for first time in this live stream, I'm gonna use the Ripple indicator with my system of trading, because in my small account I am just using my system, just a pure Ripple indicator, and I am very happy because even with the losses I am taking, the win rate of this indicator itself, I mean without anything else, because I am not using anything else, is 62%. It's very good, very good. So let me show you here. This is the Ripple indicator, and as you can see here, with curve and replacement of OBV. It's for first time. Don't take it too seriously, because, as I said before, this indicator is still I did my back testing with amazing results, but I am planning to replace OBV potentially maybe in 2023. It's still, I have a rule. I have to test any indicator I am using. I test this indicator maybe at least 3 or 4 months. So let me show you here. The sell signal for this asset was the rule is very simple. When you see the curve showing the sell signal and also the ADX negative, and also when you see Ripple breaking down the band of volume, because this band is your healthy volume. Is your healthy volume. When you see this, well, you have a sell signal here. So around here, the sell signal was around here, around $23,000, 800, 900, around there, and that's it. But the reason why Bitcoin is not bouncing right now here, yeah, even with the buy signal right now in curve and the ADX, is because of this. because the volume is not following, as you can see here, and also it's about to break the 1 point, this line instead of 0 line is 1 line. Yeah, and here if you see a ripple maybe in the next 4 hours, because I know some of you are using right now this indicator, you will see something like this, a breakdown. Every time when you see the 0 line tested, this line breaking, you will see the continuation to the downside. You see? So let me show you here the 12-hour chart. 12-hour chart is very clear. As you can see here, we have sell signal, bears are variance also, and we have a lot of time to see the sell line tested. So Bitcoin has a lot of time with the sell signal. I mean, we have a very good chance. And now let me show you here. This is very interesting, this indicator, because with this indicator, I will be bullish. I think when we were in maybe 1 month ago, yeah, at least for the bounce, yeah, because with this indicator, I can read better the volume. After this test, I will be very bullish here. Right now here, as you can see here, sorry, Ripple is testing the 0 line in the 1 line here, and also is testing the band. So maybe today or tomorrow, any close below the MA21, and you will see this asset breaking here. And if you see breaking the band here of volume, so that means the volume is gone. There is no healthy volume anymore for this move, to support this move. So probabilities are more to the downside. Okay, so that is something we don't want to see. We want to see the volume to the moon, right? We want to see a very healthy volume following Bitcoin. So let me show you here the FIDE chart here in volume. Let me show you here. It's trying, but we don't have a buy signal. Actually, this is looking more like a rejection, and I have bad news. I have bad news for you, my friend, because in weekly chart, this is looking like a rejection. Yeah, right now. Remember, this indicator is new, but so far so good. Is the back test is, I mean, it's amazing. Why? Because let me show you. Here, the sell signal was fired here, as you can see here, breaking the volume, and also Bitcoin in sideways here, and people saying, Bitcoin to 100K. Very beautiful, wonderful short here with the curve, and also the ADX getting negative here, and also breaking the volume, and after that, massive break. Now here, to the moon, no? Well, this indicator is very clear, right? Look at this. Bounce, testing the band, a little bit above the band, and after that, breaking here the band of volume, as you can see here. Let me fix this. Yes, the short in weekly chart is around $60,000 in weekly chart. And now breaking down here, and the test of the band, because the band is a resistance, like moving average, for example, the next short was at $46,000. And right now, Bitcoin is about to test this band, and well, we are very far away from this. So that's why I'm not saying this indicator is, I mean, like, the back testing was amazing, but let's see right now here. Bitcoin has a good chance to see a bounce here, but any reaction from this ripple in weekly chart, you will see this, something like this, right? Like this, and after that, continuation to the downside. So I know people, they like to think, okay, no, but the PI cycle indicator said $19,000 is the bottom, all in. Maybe before, yes, but the last indicator I want to show you this is here, the moving average 200, the moving average 200, and let me show you what is happening right now. 200, yeah. Bitcoin, as you can see here, is, well, you can say, well, it's because it's trying to hold the moving average 200. You're right, yeah. But the problem here is, I don't know your country, but here is Wednesday, so we have other, what, 4 days. So Bitcoin has a very good chance to break here. Any closing when the chart below here, as you can see here, $22,000, $22,600, 700. Full rejection all the way down to $21,000. And here, as I said before, as you can see here, the confluence is here. The basement is here. Bitcoin cannot break this basement. If you see this breaking, well, is gonna be like this. Like this. Okay? That's why it's extremely important for Bitcoin holding $21,000. Okay? Let me be clear. Right now, my projection, as long as it's holding MA21, right now is sideways. And if I see the buy signal in 1 day chart, let me repeat, if I see the one day buy signal, so that means this signal, let me show you here with my indicator here, and I'm gonna enable this one. No, it's not this one. No, doesn't matter. I'm gonna just go back to the main. Yeah, when I see this buy signal again here in some point, maybe the first week of August, I mean in August 9 or 10, according to the projection, of course, if I see this buy signal and Bitcoin is still above this area, $21,000 for me is a buy. And after that, we are gonna see maybe 26, 27K. But as I said before, we have to wait all this time. Yeah. So there is no momentum right now. And I think many altcoins right now, they are correcting because I said before, you are buying altcoins because to the moon, wait for the pullback. Wait for the pullback. Because many of them, especially Matic, they are very bad right now. Let me show you. Someone asked me about Matic. Matic is a sell. I am saying that today. I said it, I think, 2 weeks ago. Why? Oh my God, bullish. Well, let me show you. Weekly chart. You want to buy here? Good luck with that. But no, for me, no, thank you. It's not with me. This is just a bounce testing the ME55, ME21, and the projection is on. It always is gonna be like this, Okay, always. I am not saying Matic is gonna break and you lose. No, the direction. Please don't watch the price because people they are thinking, oh, the price. You are saying Matic is gonna cross to 0.40 cents. No, the direction of the price. Okay, the direction is to the downside. Yeah, but it is because it's a weekly chart. It will take a few months, maybe all this month, maybe next month. Okay, so if I show you the SP500 based on this technical analysis, let me show you here. What is the projection for SP500? Same thing, right? Like this. Don't watch the price. Watch the direction of the move. The move is to the downside. Why? Because it's testing the ME21, ME55 here, the biggest confluence here, and also failed breaking the previous high here. So careful, because you are thinking to buy right now here when SP500 and especially SP500 is very sad, but Bitcoin is following SP500 since long time ago. I am expecting a pullback or continuation to the downside for SP500 of the markets. Well, you will see Bitcoin dropping. Okay. Now, let's talk about the USD dominance. Let's see if we see something different. The weekly chart is holding. Let me see the one day chart here. It's not looking very strong here, but as you can see here, as long as one day chart is holding this area 6.20%, I can say to you right now, this is just could be outer accumulation here, and after that, potentially outer leg up. So we have to wait, okay, at least all this week. All this week, I think this week, my estimation is if Bitcoin holds, as I said before, is if Bitcoin holds 22K and 21K, all this week, potentially we are gonna see very nice bounce. Yeah, and target should be around $27,000. But it's very important. As I said, all this week, Bitcoin cannot break this area. This green box is the area Bitcoin. I mean, it's fine. It's here, but cannot break this area. 21K. Not just in one day chart, in all the time frames. All the time frames. Okay. Okay, so I think that's it. That's it. Let me see if you have any questions. Please tell me. No. Okay, take care. Thank you. Take care. Okay, so I have an announcement. Just a few minutes. I'm gonna take just a few minutes of your time. I wanna show you something. One moment. Okay, okay, my friends. Sorry for the interruption. Let me show you this. We have here. I want to introduce you to one product. Actually, I am working with this project. I think I started this project like 5 months ago, and that is a trading journal. I don't know. I mean, I don't know if, for example, because I know you are a very disciplined trader. You are recording, you are tracking all your records, right? All your trades, all the exchanges you are doing, because I know you are a very disciplined trader, right? So you know exactly your win rate, your lose rate, your profits, everything, right? But just in case you don't have it, well, you're using you want to use Excel or whatever you want to use, but you have to do it because that is the best way to know yourself. So let me explain. That's why I created this. It's an application, it's a product, it's the Solar Fist. Solar Fist is something like I've been recording my trading journal, I think maybe a couple years ago, no more, 3 years ago, yeah, but in Excel. And it was so complicated because I have to do all the calculations manually. So that's why I decided to create this, because I realized like maybe some of you are interested. Let me show you here. For example, in the as you can see here, is designed for cryptocurrencies. Yeah, you can set all your trading records, and also you will get all the metrics. Yeah, all the performance you want to get. Yeah. So let me show you here. Yeah. For example, here you have your trades, you have your entry, exit, and everything, right? And also you will be able to unlock special features using NFTs. So for example, you want to unlock a special feature in the application, you can get an NFT and you will unlock special features. And the most important thing here is you are going to be the owner of this NFT. If you don't want to use anymore the application, you can sell it in OpenSea or somewhere else, or to some other members. You're in your membership or the NFTs you are buying here. For example, you can take notes. You can upload your screenshots, or for example your trades. For example, of TradingView. Okay, my execution, my stop loss, my take profit, and everything. Right? You can upload videos actually, like for example TikTok, about your trades, and also you can share your trading performance. What it means, for example, you are learning, and you have a mentor, right? Or you have some friends, and you want the feedback from them. So you will be able to share your trading journal, and your mentor, people around you, will give you a feedback about your trading and your performance. So the idea here is, I've been doing this for a long time, yeah, and I am pretty sure 90% all of you don't have trading journal because it's a very heavy task. Oh my god, I need to record everything. So with this application, and actually is you will get access, you are Patreon supporter of this channel, you will get the basic tier for free. So that means you will be able to create all the trading records, export reports, and everything about your performance as a trader. Okay, and especially this application is made by is for crypto traders. It's not for stock. Okay, just one thing, is for crypto traders. In the next live stream, I'm gonna show you how I'm using this to improve my performance. That's why I can tell you right now, at this moment, I have 62% of win rate with Ripple indicator. How I know this? Because I am recording everything what I'm doing, and in real time I am getting all the information I need. So let me show you here, because we are using the Web3. Yeah, I really believe in the cryptocurrency space. We are using the Matic as a currency to buy the memberships. Yeah, Polygon, of course, with MetaMask. So the key here is, for example, if you buy your membership for 3 months and you are tired because you don't like this or something happened, right? You can sell it. You can sell it. Why? Because you are gonna be the owner of your NFT. It's not like Netflix, like they can cancel anytime your account, and you cannot do anything. You cannot share your account. So you can do whatever you want with your NFTs. So many people, they are using NFTs for just selling pictures. In my case, I decided to do something more useful, yeah, as membership providers. So if you have the NFT in your wallet in MetaMask, you will get access automatically, and your ID is gonna be the address of your MetaMask. And your, yeah. So let me show you here some features. Yeah. For example, in the premium membership, you will get the advanced analytics reports, more than 20 metrics about your performance. And the most important and most powerful report is historical data. For example, if your win rate today is 62%, maybe 3 months ago it was 42. You want to see the progress, right? You want to see how the chart is looking like your progress, right? So you will get all this information. It depends on the plan you are doing. You want to you want to apply. So for now, right now, the basic tier is gonna be free for all the Patreon supporters. Yeah, and also I'm gonna start launching some promotions, because some memberships that will start getting the starter and premium and so on. And this is just the beginning of this application, because in the future you will be able to get with NFTs, of course, indicators, strategies, bots, and so on. So please just have a look. It's free. You can use it. Actually, let me show you here. If you, for example, go to the app here, you will see the application right now running, and you must have your MetaMask with Polygon. After you enter with your Polygon, you will see the application. In the next live stream, I'm gonna show you how it's working, okay? I'm sorry, I didn't want to interrupt you. Let's continue with Bitcoin, right? So I think that this application is very useful. Please let me know what do you think about it, okay? Thank you, and let me switch to Bitcoin again. Okay, good. So right now here, as I said before, in 1-day chart, we are still looking for this, and Bitcoin cannot break 21K, right? Okay, I said it many times, and this is extremely important, and I think you know why. Now, what is next? Let's talk about something is very interesting right now is happening here is is the gold. Let me show you the gold here. Every time when you see gold bullish, you will see the stock market in general not good. I mean, the performance is going to be very bad. And as you can see here, gold in weekly chart is printing a potential buy signal here. It is getting negative here. So the target should be around 1,800, 150, around there, maybe a little bit higher. So, but one thing here is gold is in a massive range, as you can see here, of consolidation in the highs. So you are right now, or gold is in the bottom of this range. So usually when it's a range, you will see the bottom, and eventually you will see the top again, around maybe 1,900, around there. So that means I am looking for a pullback or SP 500, because gold actually is showing this signature right now. So just get ready. Get ready, because there is a very good probability if Bitcoin breaks 21K, well, the bottom was not in. So just careful. Okay, so let's talk about altcoins. You want some altcoins, because I cannot speak anymore. My God. I'm gonna just talk about it, maybe 5 altcoins. If you want to ask, please let me know. I'm gonna start with Ethereum. Ethereum, same before, is testing about to test MU21, and the projection is still to the downside. Let me show you here. In 1-day chart is very clear. Any close below 1,550, and you will see full leg down to 1,200. If you are bullish on Ethereum, you don't want to see this, right? But facts are the facts. And right now here we have a sell signal here. ADX is negative. We still have all the week. And let me show you the 2-week chart. 2-day chart. This, my friend, is very bad for Ethereum. Very bad, extremely bad, I will say, because this asset is about to fire the 2-day chart, and 2-day chart sell signals are even worse than 1 day. So this is like this, okay? So at least this week and next week maybe. So just careful with this, because any close below 1,550, you will see a full leg down to 1,200 and potential continuation. So let's talk about Solana. What is doing Solana? Solana, said before, be careful. Bears are variance in 1-day chart. I said many times, because people say, oh yeah, to the moon, Solana. Yeah, I like Solana. I like Solana, but not because I like Solana, that means I'm gonna buy all in. No, 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 no. Okay, so this is resistance right now here. Any close below 36, you will see full leg down to 28. So that means Bitcoin will break 21K, something like that. So that's why careful. Okay, this is not the moment to be bullish. It's the moment to be defensive. Today chart about to fire a sell signal, high embedded appearance is not good. Okay, let's talk about other coins. What is that? Okay, Gal. What is Gal? Let me see. Gal. What is Gal? I don't know what is this. USD. Okay. Um. Okay. I cannot help you, my friend. I cannot help you. This is. I don't have enough data. The only thing I can tell you right now here is this asset. Look at the wall. Look at the curve here. It's super super high. And this asset is not moving up. So if it's not moving up, even with this momentum to the upside, wait for the sell signal. Wait for the sell signal because it's gonna be like this. Okay, careful, careful. Okay, so let's continue with other altcoins. Let me see. For example, I think Rose. Yeah, Rose is a coin I was looking for. This in the previous high here. No, thank you. It's not with me. And let me show you the weekly chart. Weekly chart. That is the thing. Many altcoins right now, they are about to test or very close to the mid-21. So that's why you have to be careful because you don't buy, at least not me. If you buy, it's up to you, not me. Here is not with me, okay? Not with me. If you want to buy, go ahead, but not me. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me see. I don't know what is that coin. Let me see. KuCoin. Okay, let me see. It's the first time. I have no idea what is this. Garbage in weekly chart. One day chart. I don't know why did you buy this, but it's garbage. Sorry. What can I tell you? It's in a very, very, very strong downtrend forever and ever. Sorry. Okay, if you want me to say something, I can tell you first of all, never buy this kind of garbage. Sorry. Maybe it's the next Bitcoin, right? The next NFT, then the fork, something like that. Because the project is solid. I know. Okay. Because the community is very strong. Really? Show me the community. Wow. Amazing community, right? You're selling. Okay. Other low, new low here, you will have a bullish divergence like this. Okay. When you see this bullish divergence, the next bounce, I have no idea your position. I hope you are here. I hope so. Yeah. I will say get out. Oh my God, Uniswap is a token, even worse. Okay. Okay, UCT. Let me see. Uniswap. Okay. More data, even worse. The community is super strong, right? My friend, careful. Careful. As I am not a financial advisor, please, but in my case, I will never buy this garbage. Okay. Okay. Let's buy here because the support is strong, right? Let me tell you something. If you are buying here because this is the lowest point here, don't be surprised. Like maybe if this asset keep breaking down, you next target is gonna be 0. Okay, be careful. Seriously, be careful. Okay, maybe you bought this because it's because NFT, right? The fork, the news, the new project, right? That works when we are in a very very strong bull market like 2020 where any excuse, even the excuse was so stupid, it was a excuse to buy because we have many retailers in FOMO. Right now, no. Okay. in a very, very bad way, you will understand news, they don't work. Okay, so let's continue. B&B. I'm sorry. B&B. B&B. Where is B&B? Okay, testing the meeting one right now. This is not with me. No, thank you. I don't care if this asset is gonna test 300. I don't care. In weekly basis, right? This is like this. Okay, in weekly basis. It will take maybe 1 month or 2 months. Let me show you here. Sell signal ADX about to be negative. Be careful here because, well, this asset must hold around maybe 260 here in order to keep the momentum to the upside. Any close below 260, you will see full leg down to 224, and maybe in some point it's gonna break. So here is your highest area of supply, as you can see here, around 300. So your biggest area of resistance or supply is all this area. So you wanna buy here? Good luck. Not me. Don't, please, no, not with me. No, thank you. Okay, this is not with me. Okay, so oil. Okay, yeah, good. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think this is gonna be the last chart because, oh, seriously, I cannot speak right now. Oh my god. Let me see. Where is oil? Yeah, oil. Oil is here. No, oil is this one. Okay, let me see. In one day chart, it's still holding here the lowest point. Yes, as okay, time is almost over here. So let me see the weekly chart because weekly chart is something like okay. It's gonna be very bad. It's gonna be very bad for all of us. Okay, all of us. Why? Because this is bullish and this is just testing the MA55 to what? Bouncing, and what here? What is next? 0. No, the prediction is still like that. Crossing the center line here or holding the MA55 here, you will see in maybe this month or next month other bounce for oil, maybe other test to 108 or 105 around there. Let me see the monthly because the monthly, I didn't see the monthly. Let me see here. Oh, the monthly is good. The monthly is good. So you will see a weekly chart bounce. Potentially it's going to be a sell. Why? Because the monthly, we have a sell signal right now here. It's just a monthly pullback. Let me be clear. A monthly pullback. Okay? Because in monthly, it's like this to what? To the moon. Okay? It's very bad for all of us, but I have to be realistic. As you can see here, monthly pullback around 85, lowest point maybe 60, 70, maybe. And after that, you will see other nasty pump. And that is very bad for all of us. Let me see the 3-month chart because I want to see something more. As long as about 875, I am bullish. Yeah, so that's a buy signal in 6 months chart. So in overall, in the next 2-3 years, you will see this asset oil more expensive and expensive and expensive. So maybe it's time to change to electric cars. It's just kidding, but yeah, in overall 6-month charts for the next 3 years, you can expect oil is gonna be expensive, at least this year, 2023, and maybe part of 2024. Okay, so very bad news for all of us because this is gonna affect us. Actually, it's affecting us right now. Okay, guys, I think that's it for today. I'm sorry, but I couldn't stay more time here. Honestly, I don't feel well. So see you tomorrow. Good luck with your trades.
You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to 0.